If you're trying to decide between Plus500 and Interactive Brokers, you're not alone. Both are well-known platforms, but they serve very different purposes in the trading and investing world. Let's break down what each one offers, their strengths, and where they might fall short, so you can figure out which is the right fit for you. First up, let's talk about Plus500. Plus500 is a CFD broker designed for people who want a simple and accessible way to speculate on global markets. The platform is clean, intuitive, and very beginner-friendly. With Plus500, you can trade CFDs on Forex, commodities, indices, ETFs, shares, and even cryptocurrencies, all from one place. It also provides useful risk management tools, like guaranteed stop-loss orders, which can give new traders added protection during volatile market conditions. But here's the limitation: Plus500 is focused purely on CFDs. That means you're not buying or owning the underlying assets. You're only trading on their price movements. There's no dividend income, no voting rights, and no real asset ownership. The platform also doesn't provide the advanced charting, deep research, or professional-level tools that experienced traders often rely on. In short, Plus500 works best for short-term speculation, not long-term investing. Now let's turn to Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is one of the most established and comprehensive brokers in the world. It's designed for serious traders and investors who want access to a vast range of markets. With Interactive Brokers, you can trade stocks, ETFs, options, futures, forex, bonds, and more across dozens of global exchanges. Unlike Plus500, here you actually own the assets when you buy shares or ETFs, which makes it ideal for long-term portfolio building. Where Interactive Brokers really shines is in its depth. The platform offers professional-grade trading tools, advanced charting, risk management analytics, and some of the lowest trading costs available, especially for high-volume traders. It also has strong research and educational resources, making it appealing for investors who want to make data-driven decisions. The trade-off, however, is complexity. Interactive Brokers has a steep learning curve, and the interface can feel overwhelming for beginners. It's not the kind of platform you can just pick up and use immediately like Plus500. So, which one should you choose? If you're new to trading and you want a straightforward, no-frills way to speculate on market prices without worrying about advanced tools, Plus500 is a great entry point. But if your goal is long-term investing, portfolio diversification, or professional-level trading with access to global markets, Interactive Brokers is the platform that stands out. In short, Plus500 is for simplicity and short-term CFD trading, while Interactive Brokers is for depth, global access, and serious investing. Both are strong brokers, but your choice really depends on whether you want to trade quickly and easily or immerse yourself in a powerful professional-grade trading environment. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.